Don't know what's in this record, baby. Try up your makeup, baby. Henny in my cup, time to drink up, baby. Time to hit you with that Draco, baby. One car, I slide for you. Told me it only get wet for you. When I'm on my grind, I don't have the time. You call me, I'm sliding through. Feel better than the money. Swimming in your guts, I ain't running. Climb on top, you 100. Climb on top, you 100. I got that good D if you want it.
What's up, guys? It's Nia. Welcome back to me and Nae's channel. So in today's video, it's gonna be all about this gorgeous 28-inch hair from Unice AliExpress. Before I get into this hair review, I just want to mention that on my eyes I'm wearing the ColourPop and Makeup Shayla collaboration, and this swimsuit I'm wearing is actually my swimsuit from my swimwear line that I recently launched. So yeah, the link and all of that will be in the description box below. Just wanted to mention that and get it out the way in case anyone asked in the comments. So yeah, now you already know ahead of time, and ignore this little spot right here. It's actually because I was holding my freaking palette and I tried to like multitask, just being real crazy. But anywho, let's get back into this review. So this hair is from Unice AliExpress. Some people call it Unice. You know who I'm talking about. But this hair is from Unice AliExpress. Do not get it confused with the regular Unice website, because although it may be under like the same umbrella or something like that, from my understanding, these are two separate companies. Like, they're ran separately. But yes, this hair is from Unice AliExpress. So when we received this hair, it came packaged really nicely in the Unice box. And when I opened it, I was just amazed by the quality of the hair. Like, it was just so soft. To this day, it is like so freaking soft. Like what I have in my head right now, they were generous enough to send me 4 bundles of 28-inch Malaysian straight hair, and I have a 20-inch bundle, a 20-inch frontal. If I could have gotten a longer frontal, I definitely would have, but this was the longest frontal they had on the site. But I don't think it looks bad. I think it blends extremely well. You can't even tell that it's like shorter or anything like that. It actually gives me like a little bit of layers, so I ain't mad at that. Yeah, and Nae has a different texture and different length, so make sure you guys look out for her video, because she'll be doing a review on this hair as well. I'm gonna try to answer like everything or mention everything, but if I do happen to leave something out, don't be shy. Ask us in the comments below and we'll definitely reply, because we always reply. But yes, this hair is from Unice AliExpress. As far as shipping goes, we received it in about a week, maybe less than a week. I know we received it within the full 7 days. Like, literally from the time we first spoke to them to the time we received the hair was within 7 days. Like, they got back to us really fast, because sometimes when you're talking to different companies, like, you know, it goes over like a day's span before you even, you know, get to pick out what you want or decide what you want. But no, this was a very quick process. Like, we spoke with them, we agreed to whatever, we picked out the hair, they sent it to us, sent us the tracking number really fast, and we had the hair within that week. So yeah, when the hair came, it was packaged really nicely in the Unice like shipping box. And I don't know, I'm just like a sucker for packaging. I care about packaging. If you're gonna, not if you're gonna send me something, but if you're gonna send stuff, I just feel like you have to send it, like, you know, in a nice way. So yeah, it came in the Unice box. They also had the tags that said, you know, exactly what I had, in case I forgot, because I always do forget what I order. Even when I pay for it, I forget. So yeah, it's good that it's like written on a tag and things like that. As far as the wefts go, they are true to length. I would say they even seem like you can even see the full length of this. Like, this is what's not in the camera. definitely true to length. This is really long. If it's not 28 inches, it's not shorter. It's definitely longer than 28 inches, if anything. And I think the one thing I noticed about this hair is that the bundles are extremely full from what is it, like root to tip. That's what I'm trying to say. They're extremely thick from root to tip, because typically when you get hair, it's like, especially longer hair, the longer hair you get, you know, the more bundles you have to get, because it usually thins out once it gets to the bottom. But no, this hair stayed pretty full once it got to the bottom. Like I said, I got 4 bundles and a frontal. I used less than 3 bundles on this wig that I have on right now. The frontal was super full. Loved it. Like, well, not loved, love it. I did have to bleach the knots, which they took the bleach really well. The lace was pretty thin, and the hairline was a little pre-plucked. I did pluck it myself. I do feel like it's still a little full, you know, for some people's liking, but I feel like frontals shed, so I don't want to over pluck or pluck too much, because ultimately over time it is going to shed, and the more it sheds, the more natural it'll look. So if that means I gotta rock out with it a little bit fuller right now, I'm absolutely okay with it. It's better than having bald spots in 2 months, and I'm sure some people have had that experience, because I definitely have. So yeah, came pre-plucked, a little pre-plucked, but I did most of the plucking myself. And like I said, the lace was pretty thin. I did apply my wig with what is it called? Darn, what is the name of it? The gel. Got to be glued. I did apply my wig with got to be glued gel, but I do want to try the cap method with the Ghost Bond glue, so I can see it like melt down or whatever it's called. Definitely gonna try that. I may try it my first time on camera, I don't know, but you know, I want it to just look like it's like coming out my head. I think I did a really good job right here, but you know, if I can make it look more natural, I'll definitely try to make it look even more natural. But yeah, everything just worked out perfectly. The hair was extremely soft. Like, even after I washed it, like, it kept its texture. So I hope you can see it from back here. I'm actually going to move up a little bit so you can see it a little better. I think this might be a much better view. So yeah, the wefts were really full. I haven't had any shedding really, besides I did cut my wefts once I got towards the top, because I wanted it to lay a little flatter. So I got a little bit of shedding when I did that, and I also cut my ear flap around my ear flaps, so of course I got a little shedding when I did that. But other than that, I haven't had any shedding with this hair, and I hate shedding hair, so that's like an ultimate plus for me. The customer service was really good. Of course we're working with them, but they have followed up with us, like even as far as making sure we received the hair and things like that. And anytime I reached out to them, they responded back to me, like I said, like within the same day, within the same hour. So I do hope that, you know, everyone else will have that same experience. Now, price point, the price, can't beat it. Definitely cannot beat the price for the quality of this hair. Before I even received the hair, my coworker asked me like, hey, do you know anywhere I can get some good hair from? And I said, you know, I'm waiting on some hair from this company. You can watch some YouTube reviews to see, you know, get your thoughts on it, and then if you like it, you can order some. She ended up doing it, and she was able to get 3 bundles and a closure for $153, and she didn't even use like a code or anything. See, there will be some codes down in the description box below if you guys want to order. I'll have the links to this hair, Nae's hair, and any codes that they have available down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. But she didn't use any codes, and her hair was only $153. I feel like you definitely can't beat that. I would definitely recommend it to a friend, because the quality is just amazing. Like, I'm definitely gonna be rocking this all summer. Like, I love the length, like everything. Like, the frontal just looks bomb. Like, I'm just 100% satisfied with this hair. I could not be happier. So yes, definitely recommend this hair to anyone, and I'm not just saying it because this hair was sent to me. I genuinely like it, and if I was to go buy hair tomorrow, I would probably buy it from Unice AliExpress or Unice AliExpress. Y'all know what I'm talking about because I think everyone on YouTube says it differently.
Despite the got to be glue making my edges look a little shiny.
Just wanted to give you guys a slight idea of what a half up, half down look would look like. I'm actually in a rush. I would have done it a little bit neater, of course, and I probably would have added a little more hair, made it a little thicker, but I actually do like this a whole lot. But you know, just giving you guys options, letting you know how versatile this frontal is, because like I said, it is bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.
I slide for you, told me it only get wet for you.